GM and welcome to a new video. We're talking about Huma Finance once again. I already covered this in another video a few weeks ago. As you can see here, there's Huma 2.0 now. Lots of developments actually since the last video where I told you about Huma Finance, how to deposit. The deposits were actually full like a couple of days later, like 1 to 2 weeks later, I think. And I hope you deposited just in time, because this way you could collect a lot of feathers. In the meantime, they opened a new pool. As you can see here, Huma 2.0 is open again for deposits with the numbers here, with the classic mode, the Maxi mode. I explained everything in the last video. If you haven't watched this, make sure to check this out. This is the video. I will link it down in the description and also link it up here. And while you're down there, make sure to subscribe to my channel to not miss any of those airdrop tutorials, such as the abstract tutorial, which I just uploaded with a complete onboarding guide. Abstract will probably be one of the largest airdrops in 2025, so make sure to check that out. I will link it here as well. But back to Huma Finance. They now opened this again for deposits, but in under 9 hours, the pool was full. And as they said, huge things shipping your way. They also posted May is for shipping and shipping only, which leads to us thinking that there might be the TGE in May already. And as you can see here, there's more to it. Get ready to claim your Huma rewards. If you participated in the Scroll, Galxe, or Discord campaigns, please review the instructions carefully and complete any required steps promptly. To be eligible, ensure your Solana wallet is linked to your profile. And then you can hit on this link. We're gonna do this in a second, but let's read this one here because this is super important. Deadline is May 16th at 11:59 p.m. UTC. If you have any questions, feel free to join the Discord server. This means you have to do this for everyone that did this via the normal Huma Finance page. Then you're good because you connected your Solana wallet and you did all of that with the Sol wallet. But for the Scroll campaign, the Huma Galxe campaigns, or Huma Discord campaigns, you need to give them your Solana wallet. And they have this explained here. We're going to go through this in a second. Some of you might ask yourself, okay, why is there a Scroll campaign? Scroll is a layer 2 on Ethereum. And actually, Huma Finance started out on Scroll, but then decided to go with Solana, which is a very good choice in my opinion. This is why there's still the Scroll campaign. So if you took part in this, you have until May 16th, so only a couple of days left to do this. Same for Huma Galxe campaigns and the Huma Discord campaigns. And they explain this very well here on this page. As I said, the links are down in the description. You are eligible if you made deposits in the RF cross-border payment financing pool on the Scroll network. Then you need to do this, connect to Huma institutional debt with the wallet you use to deposit. And then you click on your wallet and then you can click on view account, and then you need to add your Solana wallet. Connect it as always, and then you should be good to go. Once you signed the message, you should see it under wallets. Once your Solana wallet is there, they know where you get your rewards. Now for the Discord members, you are eligible if you are a member of the Huma Discord server and have a newborn, baby Huma, young Huma, or prime Huma role. Action needed, join the Discord server. You should have joined this if you have the role. On Discord, head over to the wallet submission channel, and then in the channel, view the ruffles to submit your Solana wallet based on your current Discord roles. You can see this here. Hover over your selected ruffle and ensure all entry requirements are completed. Click submit wallet, wait a few seconds, and you're good to go. And last but not least, the Galxe participants, probably if you're using Galxe a lot, then you probably have a Solana wallet in there, but you're eligible if you participated and earned points from any Huma Galxe quests. Action needed, log into your Galxe account and open your profile page. You can do this if you click on this here, then you can see your account. Select plus binding address on your profile and connect your Solana wallet. And boom, that's it. That's everything you need to do. If you took part in any of those campaigns, make sure to do this in the next couple of days. And apart from that, the TGE seems to be pretty close, which is good for all of us. Let me know how much feathers you collected, if you went with the Maxi mode, if you deposited in the first pool, which I did when I recorded the first video, if you actually managed to get into the second pool that was only open for roughly 9 hours. I think it's pretty clear that there's a lot of hype around Huma Finance. They have pretty good investments, so this really might be a very good airdrop. Yeah, let me know if you are in one of the pools. If you're collecting feathers, let me know your position in the leaderboard. And then maybe I'll let you know if I'm higher or lower than you on the leaderboard. Apart from that, I got a lot of videos coming up in the next couple of days, so make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and then see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.